Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our blue skies into the infinite expanse of space? A question that has been on the minds of humanity for centuries, sparking an insatiable curiosity that drove our ancestors to gaze at the stars and dream of what could be. This curiosity, this longing to know the cosmos, led to an era of unprecedented exploration. It was in the mid-20th century, specifically in the year 1957, when the world witnessed a historical turning point. The Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, marking the dawn of the space age. This small, beeping ball of metal, as simple as it may have been, represented a leap for mankind. It signified our ability to reach beyond the confines of our planet and into the unknown. It was a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. With Sputnik, we took our first steps into the cosmos, but we were far from done. The launch of Sputnik sparked a competition, a race not of athletes but of nations and their technological prowess. The mid-20th century was marked by a fierce rivalry between two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. This was the space race, a high-stakes international contest driven by political tension and the promise of scientific discovery. The Soviet Union surged ahead initially, boasting a series of firsts, from the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, to the first man in space, Yuri Gagarin. However, the United States was not far behind. In response to these Soviet victories, they launched the Apollo program, a series of missions aimed at putting a man on the moon. This monumental task was no small feat. It required vast resources, millions of man-hours, and an unwavering commitment to scientific advancement. But the United States was undeterred. They were spurred on by President Kennedy's bold promise to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the close of the 60s. And in July of 1969, that promise was fulfilled. NASA's Apollo 11 mission, led by astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, achieved the seemingly impossible. Armstrong's first step onto the lunar surface was more than just a victory for the United States. It was a triumph for humanity. When Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon, a new era of space exploration had truly begun. But why stop at the moon when there's a whole universe waiting to be explored? Our curiosity didn't halt at the moon. Instead, it led us to Mars, our neighboring red planet. Our fascination with Mars began with the successful flyby by Mariner 4 in 1965, giving us the first glimpse of Mars's cratered surface. Since then, numerous missions have been launched, each with a unique purpose. Viking 1 and 2 in the 70s sought to find signs of life, while the Mars rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity were designed to study Mars's geology, climate, and potential for human habitation. Today, the latest rovers, Perseverance and Ingenuity, continue this quest, armed with advanced technology to scrutinize the Martian surface and atmosphere. The implications of these missions are monumental. If we find signs of life, past or present, it could redefine our understanding of our place in the cosmos. It would mean that life is not unique to Earth, opening the possibility of countless life-bearing planets scattered across the universe. The potential for human colonization of Mars is another thrilling prospect. It's not just about creating a backup planet for humanity, but about pushing the boundaries of human potential, innovation, and resilience. As we explore further, we inch closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Each mission, each discovery is another step towards unveiling the grand narrative of our cosmic journey. So, what does the future hold for space exploration? Well, the sky is no longer the limit. We're looking at a future where space missions could become as commonplace as airplane flights. Thanks to advancements in technology, we're developing spacecrafts that are more efficient, more reliable, and more capable of reaching farther into space than ever before. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are revolutionizing the way we approach space exploration. They're making space travel more accessible, and not just for astronauts. We're talking about space tourism. Imagine taking a holiday not just out of the city or country, but off the planet. But it's not all about the adventure. Space exploration has profound implications on our understanding of the universe. Every mission, every discovery, every step we take into the unknown brings us closer to answering some of the most fundamental questions of existence. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we can only imagine what mysteries we'll uncover in the vast expanse of the cosmos.